So guys, welcome to the live stream. I already came late a little bit, but it's okay. We will do a little bit stream for the 30 minutes and then we will say goodbye to everyone. And let's see for today how much is the profit and how much we will recover the amount, how much we will gain the profit here. As you can see, the previous time I got the 5,340. A little bit stream for the 30 minutes and then we will say goodbye to everyone. And let's see for today how much is the profit and how much we will recover the amount. So guys, what do you think, from which amount I have to invest here and which composite index, which assessed we have to use here? Because as I told you, if I will talk about the assess, then I already mentioned on my about chart like the perfect Asia composite index, which I mostly time use, the gold one sometime I use, and crypto and Europe I rarely use, but sometimes they also give the beneficial amount. So let's wait and hope for the best. Let's make a trade of the 300 or maybe I think 500 we can make with the first trade. Check the momentum lines. You can see these two lines are the momentum lines. How much we will get? So the graph is moving temporary now for the upward direction. Let's make for the 500 in the upward direction on the crypto composite index. As you can see, this is now loss. And but when it will reaches in the top height, then it will gives the profit amount. But at this time it is a little bit lower down of this trading line, so we have to wait for the 2 minutes. After 2 minutes we will get the exact information of this, like it will move to the upward or not. So we have to wait for the 1 minute and 35 seconds here. You can see it is coming both sides. Profit now, now loss, profit, and now it is going wow, profit. So guys, let's wait for the best, and our first trade is going to be profit. Yes, absolutely, it will go, it will move in the profitable direction. I think I have to make the another trade, but the chances is also to moving to the downside. So let's wait for the 1 minute, and after that I will make the another trade. And guys, only 43 seconds left, and let's make the one more trade in the upward direction without any risk, because we are already getting a profitable amount here. So this is the time to make the another trade here in the upward direction. If I got this also profitable amount, as you can see now, then it will give the huge profit. Guys, you can see both are going to profit of the 500 investment in the just 5 minutes. This is also going to be profitable because the trade line is above. sorry, the trade line is below and the Japanese candlestick is moving very far away from the trade line. So continuous two profitable amount of the 500 dirham here. So guys, look here. One profitable trade in just 2 minutes before here. Guys, look here. The one profitable trade is just 2 minutes before, and this is also going to be profit after 36 seconds because here the Japanese candlestick is very far from the trade line. Absolutely, this is going to be and two profitable trades successfully done in just 5 minutes.
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from him sitting with me tonight.
Now I think the downward direction is came, but we have the chances to get the profitable again because here continuous. If you look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes it was turning again just in favorable direction in the upward movement. Because its trend was went to the downside, after that it came in the upward direction, and you can see now the distance is covered. Now it's trying to go back to the downward again, so we can make the another third trade in the downside.
What counts is our brand new start. Even if it hurts
3, 2, 1.
or I get scared,
Well, here is the chances to move to the downside, but we will wait for the 55 seconds.
prepared, I run away. I run away.
42 seconds. Well, it's trying to move to the downside, but it came in the again favorable condition. Only 40 seconds remaining to gives the profit here, as you can see.
Secrets there, everywhere, just you and I.
30 seconds remaining now. Well, it came back again to the downside. Guys, look here. This is on the peak level, and just 3 seconds to 1 and it's profit. So continuous 3 profit in just 7 minutes. Look here, guys. 500 dirham I invested, and absolutely 3 profitable trades. Now it can change vary to the downside, but we still make a continuous in the upward direction. We can make further again, and it's okay if it goes to the upside or not. It doesn't matter because still we have the profitable amount of the 3 times, as we can see here. This is also moving to the upside now, so it can gives the profit amount again because here both momentum lines are moving in the upward direction, so our chances are higher to move the profitable trade. 1 minute 10 seconds left. As I can see, a lot of members are watching at this moment, so don't miss your chance to get the biggest profitable trade here. And it's like very interesting, like it's moving upside, then coming downside, then moving upside, then coming downside. Just imagine, guys, if I invest here like 2000 4 times and I got the 4 times profitable amount, it will give the like 16,000 dirham is the profitable amount in just 8 minutes. It's really incredible. But the thing is that when I invest huge amount, it has the chances to get the loss too many times. Like as the previous stream, I got many losses, but there is always way to recover the amount. As you can see right now, it is also moving in the favorable condition. Just only 10 seconds remaining now. Look on the screen. 9, 8. I think I have to make the another trade here in the upward direction with the 1000 dirham. Well, 500 is okay because if we got the loss, then I will invest 1000 to recover the previous losses. But already have like 2000 dirham. We got the profit because I make 500 dirham on the investment for the 2-minute duration, and continuous 4 trades become successful. So this is the biggest and cool strategy, guys. The graph is also pretty well moving in the upward direction. Let's make the another trade with the 500 in the upward direction. I hope this is going to be profit because, but the thing is that our profitable amount or our loss amount always decided by just only last 1 minute. So let's see. Five. Well, now it's changing the direction. It has the opportunity to go back in the downward direction and make it loss. But it still have the time 1 minute 15 seconds. So we have the hope like it will again move to the upward. But as I can see, you can see the Japanese candlestick size is forming big in the size. So I don't think it will come back again to the upward direction. But I always have the hope. As you can see, it went very far, but it came back again to the upward. Only some like a little bit Japanese candlestick size is remaining here, and this has the opportunity to go back again in the upward direction. Only 6 seconds remaining of the Japanese candlestick, and our trade duration have 35 seconds. Well, it's changing to the downward. So after getting the 4 profitable trades, we are getting now 1 loss. "48 seconds. Well, now time is came, but I will think we have to invest here again on the upward direction, or maybe downward direction. Both things can happen, guys, here. So we can check the another composite indexes which is moving pretty well, like here. Guys, look here. 1 loss, 4 profits. This is going to be 5th profit after the 3 minutes because I make the duration for the 3 minutes. But it still have the chances that it will move to the downward. But I make in the upward direction because according to the Japanese candlestick and the momentum lines, both momentum lines are moving in the upward direction, as you can see in front of all of you eyes. And let's wait for the 2 minutes 30 seconds. It's pretty well moving to the downside, but still have the chances to get back again in the upward direction because a inverted hammer is formed a little bit, but not, it's not a inverted, it's like upward hammer. And spinner also we can say, but there is a little gap in between the wicks and between the body of the Japanese candlestick. So here again the 5th profitable trade is coming here, guys. 3 minute duration. So we got like 15 minutes I invested here time, and I got 5 profitable trades, 4 already, 1 loss, and this is absolutely going to be 5th profitable trade because I have the time of the 1 minute and 50 seconds. Well, now the mind can be changed if it turn back again to the downside. So let's wait. where it will move exactly. It's came again in the downward direction. So finally we are going to be make a profit or loss. Only 1 minute 30 seconds will decide it will move to the upward or downward. Let's see. Guys, this is going to be very interesting trade because the Japanese candlesticks are forming very closer to the trade line. They can move to the upward, they can move to the downward. Profit, loss, both things depend on the Japanese candlestick, and now it's a loss because it came very far from the top and it will not come back, not go back again to the upward. So it can give the loss. Still we have two profitable trades, so let's make the another trade with the downward direction now because both lines are moving and changing the directions. Let's wait for the 20 seconds, maybe it will go back again to the upward. Well, now it will not go back, it turned back to the downside. So now two losses, four profits. Still our majority is in the profitable amount. And let's make 6-5. Well guys, here it can change the direction, like it was went upward then came downward and now the size is become closer to each other. So it can be go back again to the upward. Yes, it can move to the upward or it can go back again to the downward. Both things can happen. Let's check the history of the graph. Well, it's moving to the downside, right? One, two, three. How much percentage? Asia Composite Index is giving only 85%, guys. Today all assessed are giving very low percentage. Let's make one trade. 2-minute duration, one trade, and I think maybe I will make this like a last trade. Nineteen seconds, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Guys, if you look on the graph now, like see this Japanese candlestick is forming in the top bottom in the down inverted hammer, you can see. After that a gradually upward movement came, then here on the upper side a upper hammer form, and then it continuously gradually decreasing downside, and still here it's moving downside. So now we will make a up trade when a hammer structure is formed in the down bottom side. Then I will make a up trade. So let's wait what will happen here. I will get the profit of the 125 dirham, and I already invested here 500, so total I will get after finish this trade 925 dirham. So let's wait, guys. So guys, finally 4 profit trades, 2 losses, still neutral amount is 2 profitable trade, right? If you know a little bit mathematics. And now the 4 to 6, 7. 7th trade will become the profitable again. So total overall 5 profitable trades and 2 losses. Minus, remove everything, and even after that 3 profitable trades left. So let's make the another trade before going and say bye to this live stream. See, this is profitable, done successfully. Now the time is came to make a up trade. As I told you, when it will form a down trade in the here, I will make a up trade. So let's see what will happen here now. I don't care about this will become loss or profit, because already 5 profits we make, and neutral amount was 3 profitable trade. If I make this loss, then still I have the 1000 dirham approx in the profitable amount, because 2 times are more profitable amount, and hopefully this can also move in the profitable direction. As you can see, it is very closer, very near to the trade line. For the last, from the 30 seconds, it was moving in the favorable. Just right now it came in the unfavorable. It means that we have to wait for the 1 minute and 15 seconds. I'm using the right now Asia Composite Index, and composition with the Japanese candlestick is the coordination with the momentum lines. There are 2 plates. When you will look and when you will set the momentum lines, you will found 2 period numbers. Just use them, 49, 14 or no, or then you have to just make the trade here. You will see this type of graph on your screen. So guys, only 50 seconds remaining. Now our trade is become profitable. It looks like that. So let's wait for the 44 seconds. And only 24 seconds remaining, guys. And here once again, only 13 seconds left. It is very interesting. Let me zoom with this. Three, two, one, and this is lost just because of